Hey, my friends. You know what time it is? It's time for another Costco shopping haul. So you are going to want to stay till the very end so that you can see all the great deals that I got from Costco this week. And you're going to want to run to Costco to get it while some of this is still hot, 'cause some of it is on sale. So you are not going to want to miss not one thing. So stay tuned. I have a little bit of everything, so there's something for everybody here. I've got some food, I've got some toiletries, I've got some home organization. So there's something here for everybody. But the first thing I'm going to start with are these bite-sized potatoes. This is a 5-pound bag of potatoes, and you can see here there is red and white in here. Now, I went to Walmart and found some potatoes. I saw some potatoes yesterday, but it was a 1.5-pound bag, and it was the same type of potatoes, and it was almost $5 for just 1.5 pounds. So you're getting 5 pounds, and the cost was $11.99. So that is definitely a good deal on these potatoes. These are great just to have them like this, boil them, eat them like that. You can make some potato salad. I like to cut these up into halves, toss them in some olive oil with some seasoning, and roast them in the oven. But anyway, these are really good. The next thing is this bag of lemons. The bag of lemons was like $7.50. I've already dug into a couple of them, but we use a lot of lemons. These are gonna go fast, so I definitely wanted to pick those up. And also, these are seedless. I love lemons. I literally could cut this open and just eat it while I'm talking to you right now. I'm not going to, but I love lemons. My mouth is watering. But these are seedless, so you don't have to worry about seeds falling in your water or your tea or whatever when you squeeze it, when you juice it. I love these. These are awesome. Okay, the next grocery, I guess, item, I'm skipping around, are these buttery croissants. That's butter croissant. And there's 12 of them. Well, there's not 12 anymore because I already dug in. But this was $4.99, and these are so good. I love croissants. Do you like croissants? Let me know. What's your favorite type of roll or bread? I love croissants. So anyway, these were $5, and they are delicious. So you're going to want to get some of those. All right. I use a lot of Rotel. So I got this 8-pack of Rotel. The 8-pack of Rotel, let me look. Where is it? $6.89 for 8. So that's a really good deal. I want to say in Walmart, they're over $1 a can. So I think it's a better deal to get these from Costco. Now, one of the things that is on sale, so go, go, go. Now, don't judge, because my boys prefer this kind of mac and cheese, so don't judge, but these are also good just to have on hand for last minute kind of side items. But the Kraft macaroni and cheese, you get a box of 18 for, let me not get it wrong, $8.99 for 18. Okay, so you're gonna want to go get these. I think it's like 45 cents a box. You definitely can't get that cheap at Walmart. So definitely get that. Okay, now one more food item, I think, and it's this Sensation salad dressing. Do you like Sensation salad when you go to an Italian restaurant? I love getting Sensation salad. What's your favorite salad dressing, by the way? Let me know in the comments below. I love Sensation salad. I've never tried this, so I think we're gonna have salad tonight with our meal. So I get to use this and try it out. This was like $7.50. I've never seen this in the store, so I don't know how to compare. But anyway, I love Sensation salad, so there you go. All right, the next thing, let me make sure that's all the food. Okay, this CeraVe facial cleanser. I love using CeraVe. It's very good. It's like I think dermatologists recommend it or whatever, but I use CeraVe. And this comes with 2 regular size plus a travel size. And it was on sale. Their regular price of it is $18.99. Right now, they're giving you $4 off, so for $14.99. Now, this size in Walmart is over $10, okay? So you're getting 2 and a travel size for $14, $15. So definitely a good deal right now. Run, don't walk. The next thing are these socks. I needed some socks. These were, shoot. Were they $6.99, I think? $9.99. Puma socks for $9.99. And then, excuse me, turmeric is supposedly really, really good for you. I do take turmeric, and it's supposedly, you know, good for like inflammation, and I mean, there's all kind of stuff that it's good for. It's got curcumin, C3 complex. It's got powerful antioxidant properties, supports healthy inflammation response. There you go. So anyway, they're 1,000 milligrams per capsule, and there are 180 capsules. Now, these are regular price. They are, where is it? $36.99. And right now, I believe it was $28.99. So they're on sale. So you're going to want to get these. And this is a really good, good brand. See that seal right there? A doctor told my husband that if you find this seal on vitamins, that's the vitamin you want. You want to make sure that your vitamins have that USP seal. Okay, so not a medical doctor, but my husband's doctor did tell him to look for that USP seal, and this brand does have it. So thank me later. This next thing, so pretty, so pretty. This is 4 different kinds of hand soap. You have sweet orange, lemon verbena, whatever, blue jasmine, and fresh lavender. And let me give you a close-up of the bottles. The bottles are so pretty, kind of boho looking. Aren't they pretty? These are on sale right now for, I think the regular price was $12.99. These are on sale for $7.99. So you get 4 bottles for like $2 each. Okay, so pretty. And then finally, I think this is the last, oh no, got one other thing besides this. I have some of these already in my kitchen drawers, but I love them so much that I had to get another set. It comes with, I believe, 10 different organizing boxes. They're various sizes, as you can see, but they're so sturdy and they're so pretty. Here is an example of the different sizes. See that? And this was $30, $29.99. I love these, so I can't wait to organize some more of my drawers. And then lastly, it's spring, so it's time to start thinking about outside, start thinking about your exterior siding, your house, your paint outside. After Christmas and just cold, it just kind of gets dirty out there. So I found this. I've never used it before, so I'm not saying this is an awesome thing, but we're gonna try it. But it's called Wet and Forget Outdoor. Moss, mold, mildew, and algae stain remover. And basically you attach it to your water hose and you spray it on your exterior and you just leave it, and it says it cleans it. So I don't know, we'll see. It says it's good for, works on all outdoor surfaces, including bricks, vinyl, cement, wood, all roofing, stucco, pavers, concrete, composite wood, and more. So, and it says one bottle goes a long way. This was $29.99, but they're giving you $5 off right now at Costco. So it's $24.99. So you're definitely gonna wanna go to Costco and get some of these things, especially the things that are on sale, like the soap, the mac and cheese, this, the CeraVe. You're gonna wanna get it, oh, and the turmeric, because that's a really good price on that. So yeah, you're gonna wanna head over to Costco, get a hold of these items. Let me know in the comments below. Anything here, do you use it? Are you gonna go get it? Let me know down below. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found something that you wanna go get. Don't forget to click the bell button if you do subscribe, because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. Give the video a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you're watching my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.